Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm back with another Facetory unboxing, and this month is for April. So here's my box with me, and let's just get started. So the theme for the month of April is Superfruits for a Super You, and it's the card right here. And so here I've got the face masks, and so starting with the first face mask, I have the Facetory Be Bright Be You Brightening Mask, and it's right here. And this one has two key ingredients, and first one is Punica granatum fruit or pomegranate extract, and this is an antioxidant-rich ingredient, helps slow down the signs of aging, creating smooth and supple skin. Second one is shea butter, and this is a skin softening ingredient that helps form a protective barrier to seal in moisture, and this one says it retails for $4. Next face mask is the Lotus Soothing and Whitening Mask. It's this one right here. And so two key ingredients for this one is the Nelumbo nucifera leaf extract, which purifies the skin while brightening and hydrating, leaving you with a clear, radiant glow. And the second one is green tea extract, which is a powerful ingredient filled with antioxidants to help protect your skin and strengthen your skin barrier. So this is the third one, and this is by Ariol, which is a juice cleanse mask raspberry and lentil 2x plus. Oh, and this one retails for $5, and then this one also retails for $5. So the first key ingredient for this is a raspberry fruit extract, which is an antioxidant rich ingredient that will help fight off free radicals from damaging your skin, helps tighten and tone. Second one is lentil fruit extract, which is an ingredient that will help brighten and tighten while increasing moisture, perfect for those looking to minimize fine lines and wrinkles. The fourth one is by Yada, which is a brightening jelly pack, and this one retails for $4. And first key ingredient for this is niacinamide, which is also known as vitamin B3. This ingredient will help improve your complexion while protecting it from harmful environmental damage. Say hello to bright and healthy skin. Second one is citrus junus fruit extract or yuzu, and this ingredient is packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. Obtain a clear and luminous glow with this skin brightening ingredient. The fifth one is by Noach. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. And it's a skin maman blueberry wine mask. And so the first key ingredient for this one is the blueberry extract, which is filled with antioxidants that will brighten up dull, tired skin while protecting it from any damage. And the second one is wine extract, which contains resveratrol, an ingredient found in wine, which plays an important role in helping to repair the skin barrier and protect it from free radical damage. So this one is the fifth mask, and this one retails for $3.50. The sixth mask is the Alicia Coy Revitalizing Ampule Solution Mask, and first key ingredient for this one is coconut oil, a moisturizing antibacterial and a smoothing ingredient. Coconut oil is great to help lock in hydration and keep your skin moisturized. And the second one is ceramide, which is a hydrating agent that helps retain the skin's moisture levels by strengthening the skin's moisture barrier. So this is the sixth mask, and this one retails for $3.50. It's the seventh mask is by Hongji Su Centella Repairing Mask, and the first key ingredient for this is Centella asiatica with skin healing and protecting properties. This ingredient will help support your skin while providing it with rich nutrients. And the second one is mushroom extract, and it provides anti-aging properties. This will help brighten and even out your skin tone. And this one retails for $5. So yeah, that's what I got for my April Facetory box. I think that's all for today's video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!